I didn't have any food.
You should have brought some.
I should have bought some snacks. But I had 2 bottles of water, so that was maybe like 4.5 hours. And I got back like just before dark. I mean, I wasn't really close. I was in
arrive at Ohiradai. The doors on the left side will open.
¿Repartiendo ilusión?
Siempre.
¿Me vas a poner el tuyo?
Adivina.
Eso sobre el
Adivíname.
Ya, pues yo me he tocado.
Oh, because we have to go past. That's the right of So we don't do that.
The next stop is Tonosawa.
Vamos a tomar una idea, más sin cosa, most interesting place where I can go and see other stuff from Tallahassee. Worthwhile places.
Like all the merchandise and the tickets and the food and the hotels. They have a monopoly on the hotels. If you want to be within like a train, they build a train directly from the hotel. Yeah, so you have to rent a car. You have to rent a car and park. Well, if you stay at one of their hotels, you just get on their trains to go directly to the
There's so
hotel.
many complexes and different tiers of luxury stuff.
Yeah.
We stayed in one where I was it was like
The other one too.
it was like a lodge themed one or something like that. And they like it was like that.
I have no idea where I was staying.
I know it was in the complex.
I know I pissed off my dad because I was wondering whatever Disney World is, 8, something like that.
I know where people are. Kids are old enough to remember.
Yeah, don't take them when they're like 2.
No, I turned on the Dr. Farasi before. 4 or 5.
Five might be okay.
I remember it.
I don't really remember it. I remember some of it.
But I remember it.
You do remember it. So 5 or 6.
No, it's 4.
2 or 4?
I've heard the voice number.
Well, I think 5 or 6 is safer. If they don't have a ridiculous number.
I would say 6 or 7 or 8. 8 might be like too old for them. 6 or 7 or 5. 5 to 7.
Yeah, same. Like big. I don't know. Oh, so that's why they took you 3 or 4. That's lucky. Space Plaza We went to some place where I had a snake around my neck. You said you see that picture, right? It's like a little keychain. Maybe I haven't seen it at my parents' house.
You didn't like it?
I do remember it.
I know, but did you like it?
Yeah.
That's what you said your dad was.
And so I loved it too.
So how did your dad take care of you? He was taking care of a baby and you too. It's hard. There's one parent. How did you process on
Is that what you Disneyland? What's Foster?
れから先もお気をつけてお出かけください。本日も箱根トランペットをご利用いただきまして誠にありがとうございました。まもなく終点